This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb. Welcome home to 705 Meredith Street. Rare to find lakefront property in Seminole County. This gem of a home offers an open concept providing a captivating view of Pearl Lake. Roof was replaced in 2020, HVAC was recently serviced and cleaned. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home provides beautiful terrazzo floors throughout. Features of this home include solid wood cabinets in the kitchen, beautiful custom built-in cabinetry. The range-in kitchen is a 5-burner propane cooktop, built-in convection oven. There are multiple ways to utilize the living spaces of this home. There is space for a dining room, office space, multiple living spaces, reading nooks, music spaces or yoga space. The primary bedroom offers an ensuite with walk-in shower and has backyard access, which is ideal after a day of fishing, paddle boarding or kayaking. Your secondary rooms are nice sized and the 3rd bedroom does have a built-in desk which is easily removed. The laundry room is well sized and the dryer is hooked up for propane and does convey. Enjoy the covered lanai in your mornings or evenings overlooking the lake with your northern view. Fully fenced in yard and a nice sized 2-car garage with built-in shelving and extra closet storage. Your minutes to I-4, shopping centers, Altamont Springs, Maitland Exchange, Winter Park, the Sun Rail, Advent Health, approximately 20 minutes to downtown Orlando. For more information, review the details below or contact Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb at 407-406-5322.